Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PharmaCore India's Thought Leadership series. Today, I'm honored to be in the presence of a true stalwart of industry. He has dedicated over 50 years of his life in shaping the Indian pharma industry. We have with us none other than Mr. Bharat Shah, the Managing Director of Kant Healthcare and the National President of the Indian Drug Manufacturers Association. Sir, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Mr. Thank you for being with us. We can discuss about pharma industry, which is, so far it has become my life.
Basically, since you spent over 5 decades in shaping this industry, what were the key moments of your career? What were the key moments when you felt, okay, how to take this industry and yourself forward?
Sure. The defining moment of my journey have been in threefold. First, the early years when the Indian pharma transitioned from dependence on import to building indigenous capabilities. And second, the liberalization world-class compliance. And the third, the present phase where innovation and affordability must coexist. Each stage taught me resilience, adaptability, and the importance of collective industry strength.
These are the key defining factors.
They are.
Today, Kant Healthcare has become stronger and stronger over the years across APIs, formulations. So how has the company grown under your leadership?
Under my leadership, Kant Healthcare has grown from a modest formulation unit into a diversified group spanning API, R&D and exports. Our core strength lies in scientific rigor, ethical business practices, and culture of continuous improvement. Today, the SK Group recognized for its reliability, quality, and ability to partner across geographies.
And geographies, how many countries across the world?
As of now, we are exporting to more than 85 countries.
Wow, and that is growing.
It is, yes, is growing and counting.
And counting, yes. So as you just mentioned, you'll have a very strong base in compliance, in rigor. How does that compare globally? How do you differentiate Kant Healthcare from the rest of the world?
Good, Mr. Mitra, good question. What differentiates us is our uncompromising commitment to quality and compliance. We also invest in research, infrastructure, ensure global regulatory alignment, and foster a culture where science drives every decision. The approach allows us to deliver products that meet stringent international standards while remaining affordable and accessible.
So when you talk about balancing affordability as well as international compliance, what is your thought process to try and balance that as a leader of Kant Healthcare?
The thought process is very clear. Unless we are complied, that is the prime matter, and affordability comes because of the scale.
So you're balancing scale to ensure that the common man also has access to your products.
Absolutely.
So as the National President of the Indian Drug Manufacturers Association, you are driving a number of business conversations which directly impact and drive the growth of the Indian pharma industry. So what are the key areas which you are championing, IDMA is championing today to benefit the growth of the Indian pharma industry?
As such as National President of IDMA, my priorities are clear. Strengthening India's regulatory ecosystem, supporting MSMEs, advancing innovation, and ensuring global competitiveness. The theme for the 2 years is Innovating Today for Healthier Tomorrow. IDMA is championing harmonization of standards, skill development, and policy advocacy to position India not just as the pharmacy of the world, but as a hub for innovation and trusted healthcare solution.
And since this is such a critical area, how do you ensure continuous learning so that the Indian industry is constantly aware of what are their requirements?
So we have a regular interaction with regulators. We have regular panel discussion on various subjects. Our members are, we have 8 state boards who are across the country, who are aware of everything what's happening because of our aggressive approach.
How does the collaboration between the Indian Drug Manufacturers Association and 𝗪𝗪𝗀 India strengthen the industry? How does it help the stakeholders become stronger together?
Now, this partnership creates a powerful platform that brings together manufacturers, innovators, regulators, and technology providers. So it is going to be very useful. It strengthens industry dialogue, accelerate adoption of new technologies, and showcases India's capability to the world. For stakeholders, it means access to knowledge, network, and opportunities that drive sustainable growth, which will bring all of us here.
So overall, it's going to be learning, meeting, growing.
It is definitely going to help the industry very well.
According to you, why is PharmaCore India so necessary at this moment in time for the API manufacturers and the industry in general?
See, PharmaCore India is happening at a very crucial time because the sector is at a turning point, balancing domestic needs with global aspirations. The platform enable formulation manufacturer, API producers, CDMO, and technology provider to collaborate, exchange ideas, and showcase strength. It is a catalyst for partnership that will define the next decade of Indian pharma.
And do you think this is necessary? Do you think it is an important aspect for the industry?
No, this is going to be, across the industries, is going to be very helpful.
Okay.
Whether it is API, whether it is CDMO, manufacturing. So this PharmaCore India for the sector is going to be a boon to the industry.
Coming from macro to micro, from the industry to Kant Healthcare in particular, how do you think PharmaCore India will, together with Kant Healthcare, move ahead for the company?
As I just mentioned, the partnership brings together manufacturers, innovators, and everyone. So for Kant Healthcare, it is an opportunity to engage directly with buyers, collaborators, and regulators. It aligns with our roadmap of expanding global partnership and strengthening our R&D-driven offerings. This helps us to demonstrate our capability and build trust with stakeholders who share our vision for growth.
This is basically going to be a very powerful platform combined with Kant's business interests as well as looking forward, not just for awareness but to make your stand in the industry stronger as well.
Sure.
Okay. So you are one of the rare personas in this industry who are continuously learning for more than 50 years and continuously contributing for more than 50 years. So what would be your message over the essence of learning over 50 years to the new entrepreneurs, to the new people in the industry who are coming up and who are going to visit PharmaCore India?
My guiding principles are simple yet profound. Perseverance in the face of challenges, integrity in every decision, continuous learning and innovation, collaboration as a key to collective success, and most importantly, ethical practice will take you higher and higher in the ladder. To the next generation, I would say embrace resilience, respect science, and remember the pharma is not just a business, it's a service to humanity. So this is a simple message to the next gen.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This, what you just heard, is actually the secret to success gathered over 50 years of focused and dedicated service to the Indian pharma industry. Thank you so much, Bharat Bhai, for being here with us today.
Nice meeting, Mr. Mitra.
Thank you, sir.